Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Tech Miracles. Today's video is the continuation video of the simple three-tier application. Another page is registration.aspx. On this page we have three buttons: back, submit and clear button. First we have to create code for back button. Then double click on the back button. Then create the click event of back button. Back button is used to go to the back page, that is login page. From there we entering the registration.asps page. Response.redirect login.asps. Okay, then the another button is clear button. Double click on the clear button. Clear button is used to clear values of these text boxes and the radio button list. Double click on the clear button. We get clear buttons click event. All the text box fields are clear and set the value value equal to null. Set all the text box value equal to null. Okay. Clear our text box values. Text box name dot text equal to null, and radio button list RBL gender dot clear selection. Clear selection is the method to clear radio button list. Then this submit button is click event. All the values in the text boxes and the radio button list are submitted to the database. Name, address, age, phone number, email, gender, username and password are stored in the registration table in database. Our database name is simple three-tier DB. Expanding this simple three-tier DB, our tables are here. Registration and TB login. These all values are stored in this registration table while clicking on the submit button. Double click on the submit button. Here generated the submit button click event. This is the submit button click event code. Okay, here also we create an object for business layer. Business layer objbl equal to new business layer. Objbl is the object of business layer class. Using this object, we can call methods in business layer class. Using this obj.bl, insert registration is the method of this business layer class. Objbl.insert registration. Inside the parenthesis, these post text values are and the radio button selected items are the arguments of this method. That is, insert registration is the method with 8 argument. Here we can use string variables. Insert registration's arguments are the text box values and radio button list selected item. If the registration is completed successfully, LBL message, that is the label we placed without text, that LBL message will display the message submitted. Then clear all the values of these text box and radio button list. Insert registration, we call this method from here to business layer. This is the method insert registration. In this method, we again call a method from the data layer class. Obj dbl.add new customer DB, name, address, phone number, email, age, gender, username and password. This argument of this method is also same as the insert registration method. This is add new customer DB is the method of class data layer. Using this data layer class object obj dbl, called add new registration DB, and the method is here data layer. This is our method add new customer DB. Void add new customer DB. In this add new customer DB, we create an object of dataset, that is DS. Dataset DS equal to new dataset. String SQL, that is our SQL query. Insert into registration name, address, phone number, email, gender, username, password, status. The value of status field is entering directly to the registration table. First, the value of status is pending. This value we entering directly to the registration table. All the other values are passed from the registration.aspx page. Name, address, phone number, and all the other fields. Only status value is adding directly to the registration table. Insert, update, delete, SQL string, SQL is our query. Insert, update, delete, SQL string is the method. This is our insert, update, delete, SQL string method. In this method, insert, update, delete queries execution is done. Here our insert query is passed to this string SQL string. SQL connection obj SQL con is equal to new SQL connection con obj SQL con dot open. Our connection is open. SQL command dot obj cmd equal to new SQL command SQL string. This is our query. Obj cmd dot execute non query. Executing our non query insert will execute it here, and all the values are inserted to the registration table. Coding of registration.aspx is completed. Today's video is concluding here. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.